How Babe Wodumo and Mampintsha dominated headlines this week. Durban, Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha have been in the news for the past 5 days, not because of their latest song, but because of their tumultuous relationship and the alleged abuse which was filmed and beamed on Instagram on Sunday night. Bonjekile Babes Wodumo Similane, 24, and her partner, Mandla Mampintsha Mafumilo, 41, have been the talk of the town for the week ever since he allegedly beat her in their bedroom at their Westville home. They have filed assault cases against each other, and their public spat has increasingly got heated as the week progressed. We rewind and relook at this saga which has gripped the country for the week, filled with assault allegations, alcohol abuse claims, politicians in the DMs, lies and hacking outlets. Monday, Mampintsha the alleged abuser. On Sunday night, Babes Wodumo filmed Mampintsha allegedly beating her in a video on Instagram. The incident was beamed live on the Wololo hitmaker's Instagram. On Monday morning, the video went viral on social media as fans, politicians and community leaders sprung into action in universal condemnation of Mampintsha's alleged actions. Later on Monday, a fabricated press statement purports the incident was staged. The shoddily written statement is signed off by Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha,